Good morning, students. Time to study again. I welcome you to online class. During this pandemic period, we have created a new mode of teaching, which is online classes. Class 5th subject computer. Let us begin our class. So, our first chapter is evolution of computers. Humanoids are the kind of robots that look and act like humans. They are made up of sensors. These sensors are the devices which helps to feel the environmental condition, and some motors are there which help them to move. Bookwork. This is the work which is given in the textbook. Let us complete it. Write O for older version of technology and N for its improved version. Telephone is the old version, so we have to write O. And mobile phone is the new version, so here we have to write N. In the same way, complete the rest. So here are the answers. Copy this in your textbook. Let's come back to our topic. History of computers. The invention of computers had taken a start in 19th century with a English mathematics professor named Charles Babbage. He designed the basic framework of the computers. Earlier, there were computers that used to occupy the whole room, but nowadays there are computers that can be owned. Let us first learn about the early calculating device. Here is the diagram that will help you to understand the development of the computer system. The first one is the computer fixed in a room. As we move on, we can see the computers in our pocket, such as mobile phone. Early calculating devices: abacus, Napier bones, Pascalian calculator, difference engine, analytical engine. Let me describe each one. Abacus. Abacus was the earliest counting device. It consists of a frame of rods with easily sliding beads on them. Simple calculations such as addition and subtraction can be done by sliding the beads along the rods. Napier bones. This was invented by Scottish mathematician John Napier. It consists of 9 bones or sticks with numbers marked on them. In this calculating device, the placement of sticks is done in such a way that the product and quotient of large numbers can be easily obtained. Pascalian calculator. This is one of the world's first mechanical counting machine. It was invented by Wesley Pascal. He designed this machine to add and subtract two numbers directly and to perform multiplication and division through repeated addition and subtraction. It consists of a series of wheels. Difference engine. It was created by Charles Babbage. It is the first automatic calculating engine. It helps us to find the complex mathematical calculation. It is helpful to solve the polynomial coefficient. Analytical engine. This engine was designed by the English mathematician Charles Babbage. This machine can store thousand numbers of 50 decimal. This machine could perform most of the arithmetic operations. Let us end our class. See you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.